Hey YouTube, Jared here from Omnivore Blade Works, and I wanted to show you the first Kodiak sword that's going out that has the hooker back, or the hooker spine. By hooker spine I mean this feature right here, which is intended to grab a hold of brush or shrubbery, whatever you might be chopping, so that you can actually use the sword as kind of a hand, so you don't have to reach into some brambly stuff. You can just grab it with these hook teeth. It may also be useful for other things, but I haven't really thought of that much. The grind on the point geometry here, you can see you've got pretty much a 40-degree zero ground bevel here, where my fingertip is on the point, and then the false edge, and then this primary grind actually goes from a very wide grind up here, and then it rotates so that you have a full girth, full thickness of the blade all the way up to this point where the false edge meets the grind line, and so it makes for a very strong point. This is Austempered 1095. We have about a Rockwell 56 edge hardness, and then the rest of the blade's kind of a differential temper. On this model, as opposed to the regular Kodiak, I actually have a jimping on a thumb shelf that sort of ramps up a little bit for your thumb, so you can put your finger in this choil area and you can really do some close-up whittling with it. The sheath is the same. And when I ship these sheaths, the third malice clip, basically there's three of them. You've got one on each side, so that the sheath is totally ambidextrous. These are fastened with stainless steel Chicago screws, and they're red Loctited into the sheath, so they're not going anywhere. And then the third malice clip would go on the other side, so this is set up for right-handed draw around the back, so you put it on a backpack over your right shoulder, and then you could easily reverse both the malice clip and the strap, and then of course sheathing the sword while it's up behind you is going to be really tricky unless you're kind of a contortionist, but drawing is pretty easy. So thanks to Brian, finally ordered one of these hooker spine Kodiaks, and I'm going to ship it out hopefully today, and with any luck he won't cut himself. Alright, see you next time.